I think in this day and age where there is a proliferation of news media and when the news cycle moves at lightning speed, uh, and attention span of readers are getting shorter, the Ramnath Goenka Excellence in Journalism Award is one of those awards which reassures journalists that good stories still matter and will be remembered. Therefore, it means a lot to be one of the winners of this award. Most of the time, even as a journalist, you get leads and you get a lead and then you work on a story. But for this one story, I wouldn't say it was a lead because I have known the sprinter Duti Chand and some of her family members even before she became a national sprint star. And Duti wanted this story about her being in a same sex relationship to be published because she wanted to remove any taboo around it. So I would actually credit Duti for coming on record and talking about her same sex relationship and the opposition she faced from the family and also certain sections of other people and why she remained unfazed. So in this particular story, I was just a messenger, and I think all credit goes to Duti because to being in the limelight, being a superstar, and talking about being in a same-sex relationship, especially in a country where people are still there is a lot of prejudice around people in the same-sex relationship. For her to talk about it and be so frank and so bold about it, uh, I think the credit goes to her. One of the challenges was it was a sensitive story, and Duti wasn't sure how it would be received. Like, I think she knew that there would be a lot of support, but she was also a little worried about what would certain people say. But so the challenge for me was I had to make sure that when the story appeared in print and in online, uh, I wrote it in such a way that it did not dilute or change Duti's sentiments, and also the message was exactly what she wanted to convey about being in the same-sex relationship. I think for one, there was a lot of support for Duti Chand after she spoke about being in a same-sex relationship. Even she was overwhelmed by the kind of support she got because internationally people called her up, people from all walks of life called her, gave her support, spoke to her. So, and I think she talking about it helped remove a lot of prejudice related to same sex relationship. And Duti was also interviewed by media houses around the world. People did follow up stories, and she sort of became an icon. So that really helped. There was more talk about same sex relationships and it was celebrated. And I'm also sure that she inspired others to talk about their same sex relationships and live much, much happier lives.